Good morning, it's Mike Chen here in San Pedro, California. It's my second attempt to come here, the famous San Pedro Fish Market. Last time I was here, this whole line right here, I think I was towards the middle. Waited for about 30 minutes, the line was not moving, so I gave up, went someone else to eat. So today, back at this iconic place to try out their most popular dish, the shrimp tray. All right, this is such a treat. So I got Tommy here, one of the founders. I heard everyone calling you Grandpa.
Well, yeah, it's my grandson.
That's your grandson?
My grandnephew, my grandson, the other one's my granddaughter.
Yeah, so the whole family works here, four generations, over 65 years.
Correct.
4 world records, 3 of them for lobster.
Correct.
What was the record for lobster?
Lobster was the most lobsters handled within an 8-hour period, the most cooked.
How many?
And the most cooked was like 31,000 pieces.
You cooked 31,000 lobsters?
In 4 days.
In 4 days.
In 26 hours.
Who ate all that?
Oh, we had a big lobster festival.
Yeah, why wasn't I invited? I wish I was invited.
If I didn't know you at that time, if I had known you, I would have invited you.
And you started when you were 14, 15 years old?
Correct.
So before, like, it wasn't this big, obviously.
Oh, no. It was just a little small thing that was probably 10 by 20.
What were you guys thinking just like 14, 15? That's high school age.
Yeah.
So you're thinking no school is just going to go do this?
Well, we had a choice. Our dad told us, it was me and my brother. My dad told us you're either going to go to college or you're going to be behind that counter over there and you're going to work. And that's where you're going to stay the rest of your life. And what happened? We stayed behind the counter the rest of our life.
And it turned into this. Congratulations on all this. I can't wait to eat it. Wow, this is really cool. So Tommy was telling me I can just buy 1 shrimp.
You can buy 1 shrimp, 1 scallop, half a lobster.
And just mix and match it.
Mix and match everything all up, and you get what your mouth is watering for at that particular
My mouth is watering right now. Like, I think I'm going to do that.
Not only that, we're going to have you cook it.
I don't know if that's going to turn out as well, but I'm willing to try.
It'll turn out. It's easy.
Okay, well, I'm going to put in my water.
Good.
And I'm going to get to eating. All right. Thanks so much, Tommy. Appreciate it.
All right, guys.
So all this seafood, I can mix and match. I can order 1 piece of scallop, right?
Just want one?
I mean, I'm just saying you could. That's what if I wanted to do.
You can order whatever you want.
This is so incredible. Okay, so I want a shrimp plate for sure.
Okay.
Can I get some snow crab in there?
Sure. How many pounds of snow crab?
Can I just get like a couple legs in there?
Sure. Like a cluster?
Yeah, like a smaller cluster. Can I get some octopus in there? Just a little bit of octopus, just a couple pieces of scallops, the big.
Large ones?
I'm thinking the large ones, yeah. Got some lobster, got some clams, got some crab. Well, I pretty much just loaded the entire cast of Aquaman onto my tray. Let's see how it turns out, and let's see if I can actually cook this correctly. Then you get to choose a hot sauce. I am doing habanero. And this is where the magic happens. So once you order everything, they're gonna cut it up, and then they bring it here. So all my seafood is going into the hot bath. My giant king crab claw. My lobster. Some potatoes go in. Vegetables. Go on the grill. All right, I'm gonna try to give this a whirl. It looks kind of easy, but I mean, it gets heavy. I'm kind of scared about how much food I ordered. How fast am I supposed to be doing this? Faster? Oh. Oh. I mean, I've done a wok before with a spatula, but nothing like this. This is a lot of food. They threw a bunch of butter, garlic, and everything that's going on the tray. Wow. And what's crazy about this is I'm getting a garlic bread, and this is what they call garlic bread here. It's like a garlic blanket. I am excited and terrified of carrying my food over because I'm thinking one little slip and my seafood goes flying. So that was one of the most nerve-wracking walks I think I've ever taken with food. Words fail me right now. This is what I'm looking at around me. I mean, I'm sitting out by the water staring at this, and boats are passing by. Cruise boats, sailboats, all sorts of boats passing by. This is already so beautiful and peaceful. And then this is in front of me. Guys, this tray, minimum 10 pounds. And not just this, check out what they call garlic bread. This is the mother of all garlic bread. And of course, with all the seafood, you need a couple of bags of lemons that they gave me. And they just gave me a bottle of this habanero hot sauce. And as I'm talking, I'm smelling the garlic, I'm smelling the Cajun spices. Look, it's so amazing. Again, got the entire cast of The Little Mermaid here. Anyway, let's eat. Splash the lemon down. Start with the lobster claw. That's the burst of heat. I asked for really spicy, and this is definitely it. Sweet lobster claw dunked into this Cajun hot sauce. A little sweet, tons of heat. A good amount of Cajun flavor. I'm gonna try this habanero sauce that they have. I know I really shouldn't be messing with lobster too much. I just want to taste a bit of everything right now. Giant clam dipped again in the sauce. First of all, everything is so amazingly fresh. I can't believe this weighed over 10 pounds, and I feel like already it's not gonna be enough. Shrimp is bouncy and sweet. Potato, luscious, soft, and soaked in all that great seasoning and spices. No, this is gonna be so exciting. The garlic loaf. Dunking this into this. I think the key thing that makes this place great is they do not skimp on the garlic. So much garlic, so much butter. I mean, those are two central ingredients to making any dish great. And there's so much to keep your taste buds interested here. And their policy of just being able to sell you a few pieces of seafood with your shrimp tray is ingenious, because now you ate your shrimp, you want to have something sweeter, you can get a scallop. Want something more sweeter than that, get some lobster. Want something a little crunchy, there's peppers in here, and everything is cooked to absolute buttery perfectness. Even the vegetables good. They're so kind to give me like 3 baby octopuses. Every time I eat seafood, I like to order a few baby octopuses. Ever since I saw that anime where the octopus teacher was trying to destroy the world, I feel like I want to do my part from preventing that from happening. You 100% need to load this stuff with lemon juice. Give it that nice citrus. Whenever your food doesn't feel like alive, whenever you feel like something is flat about it, add lemon juice. I'm not saying this is flat at all, but spicy seafood with some lemon juice will put an even bigger smile on your face, trust me. Again, try to come over here over the weekend. What are you looking at? Pigeons eyeing my food right now. As I was saying, try to come here over the weekend. Couldn't even get in the door. So I would suggest if you can come here on a weekday, not a lot of people around, you're gonna grab a great seat with a wonderful view, some scrumptious seafood. Look at the size of this claw. I can't even break this open. I tried. I'm not strong enough. Oh, it's so sweet. Like I said, want something sweet, go for the scallops. A little bit more lemon juice on that. There's such a nice balance between the seafood and the vegetables. And again, it looks like it's a lot of food, and obviously it is a lot of food, but as you are eating, all you want is more. And also, the moment I stepped in, staff was beyond friendly. People came up to me asking if I needed help. I talked to Tommy, who's ever so gracious. The entire family, so nice and welcoming. It just makes everything just taste so much better. So again, 65 years, 4 generations. If it's not good, it wouldn't last this long. That's a testament to good food and good people. This is getting a little cold, so I gotta get to it. Oh, look at this crab leg. How delicious. Oh, that's just giant. I feel like I'm eating the spoils of the battle between Godzilla and a crab monster. And yes, Godzilla would always win, and he would always roast this crab. Oh, so sweet. All right, I gotta finish this up because this is only brunch. More food to come. Hi. Yeah, that seafood kind of put me out for the rest of the day. It felt pretty good going down, and then the effects just kind of took over, and I don't think I remember what happened the rest of the day. But today, I'm leaving Los Angeles. Today's the last day in Los Angeles. I was here for about a week and a half, closer to 2 weeks to do some collabs. I did collab with Sunny, I did collab with Mark, Steven. So it's really good to see everybody, and also, of course, always happy to be eating around Los Angeles. And I like the fact that one of my last memories is that giant seafood tray in San Pedro Market. Last meal in LA, really trying to make it count, because when I get back to St. Louis, it's gonna be around midnight. Not gonna be any opportunity to eat. So I'm at this place called Troy, and so far, it's looking pretty joyous. Oh, I have missed real fun. Pork belly over rice with a couple of marinated eggs. Also, dandan noodles and some scallion pancakes. Oh, tea is so good too. Dandan noodles, look at this. Peanut sauce in here, little bits of peanuts, cucumbers, scallions. Oh, this smells so good. Please do yourselves a favor and come here and try these noodles. OMG, or bussin' or boossin', whatever the kids are saying nowadays. This is so extremely bussin'. This is the bussin'-ist of the bus. Garlicky, infused, peanutty, chewy noodles. This is like a dandan noodle created by Van Helsing. So much garlic, but the flavor is just something I'll be thinking about my whole flight and probably my entire stay in St. Louis, because don't think you can get something like this over there. Next up, a scallion pancake. In Taiwan, this is also called shou dropping, which is like a hand-grabbed pancake. Look at this. Look what's inside of this thing here. Flaky pancake with layers of cheese and egg and basil. Wow. See this right here? Kids, keep practicing your chopstick skills. You'll get here one day. Or, you know, just can use your hands. That is a flaky pancake. I gotta be honest about this. When I first bit into it, I'm like, yeah, it's a good pancake. And that's kind of all it is. It's a good pancake. It wasn't until I bit into the middle where the basil and that chili sauce and that egg and the gooey cheese resided. That's when I noticed its mind-blowing qualities. Wow. Gooey cheese, tender egg. The basil gives off such a great aroma. I've had something like this in Taiwan in the street food markets. I mean, it's very good over there, very good. But this tastes like they went over there, grabbed that pancake and stuffed a cheesy flavor bomb into it. Oh, blue roll fan, gotta switch to a spoon. Minced pork belly on top, and the juice is supposed to just drip all into the rice. Delicious. You can tell right away, yeah, the juice has penetrated very, very deep. You see all the rice is all glistening with all that sauce around it? That's what you want. Egg is absolutely perfect. So much good flavor in this dish. From the melting meat to the sauced up rice to the eggs. I think my favorite thing here, 100% the dan noodles, then the pancake for sure, but this is up there. Wow, why haven't I been to this place before? Joy, remember that. Come here and experience some. Oof, gotta get up and get to the airport.